Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful collection of hand embroidery ideas. Guys, as you could see that today's video contains a very beautiful hand embroidered jeans, hand embroidered trousers or hand embroidered denim fabric ideas. So I would recommend you to watch the video till end so that you can get all the amazing stylish and trendy ideas. Different stylized patterns of hand embroidery have been used to embroider on jeans, that is single-sided floral embroidery motifs closer to the pockets, sideline borderline embroidery closer to the pockets, or some sort of floral patterns along with the whole jean length, and different stylized patterns of embroidery motif on the borderline of the jeans as well. So you can also embroider these patterns onto your trousers, capri, cigarette pants, and any type of bottom that you can wear along with the combination of your top or shirts. So before going into the further details, I have a simple request that if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel or you are watching my video for the very first time, then please don't forget to like, subscribe and share your comments in the comment section which design you like the most and what you want us to share with you in the recent and new upcoming videos. And one more thing, guys, we never reclaim someone else's work as our own, or we never intend to say someone else's work that this is our own creativity. The basic purpose and motive and reason behind making videos or sharing design ideas with you is to share some sort of creative designs with the lovers of hand embroidery, with the artists of hand embroidery, with the beginners of hand embroidery. So nothing more than this. Now let's go back towards our concern. You can make use of multiple colors and along with the different shades of blues and bright shades of flower have also been used in order to get the same exact more closer to the reality results that are being shown to you onto your screens. I would recommend you to exactly use the same color combination of threads and even make use of the fabric base color also like closer to same. Simple and easy and beginner friendly embroidery stitches have been used so that a embroidery beginner could also make use of them. You can design these onto your already in use jeans and you can renew them. So thank you so much for watching.